Hannah are trying to make themselves burp it. I think that's kind of crazy, but that was Connor, and then those two. Come on, Hannah. Come on, Hannah, answer. Come on, answer the call. Let's go.
I feel one coming. It's not a burp.
Come on, Hannah. She's two up on you. She's two up on you. Come on. Come on, one more.
I can't do it. Shut up. I did it moment. Hey guys.
That was Connor again.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
That was pretty awesome. I'm out of root beer. I do not have any more. I can't. I don't have any more root beer.
My root beer.
Oh, did you hear that? Go get more. Go get. No. Go. Oh God. Go. My dad was creepy. Go. Blah blah. Not listening.
Hannah, there's people in here.
Shut up. I don't care. People,
Maybe they do. It's that guy.
You're covering up all my birds. I know, that's the whole point, stupid.
Birthday parties for the kids? All your kids.
Did you hear that? Blah, 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 blah. It's gonna stop after a while. You know the right?
Dude, he thinks that we're having like a birthday party or something.
There would be birthday parties.